Gerald from Todd Sheds here to talk about one of our models called the Ridgewood model. This model in front of it, or behind me, pardon me, is designed for going against your property, against the house. So as you can see, it's got an awning style roof, which allow the water obviously to go from away from the foundation of your house. This particular model is 5 foot wide by 12 foot deep with a 28-inch single exterior door. And now we could have the door on any end. It could be on the end here. It could be on the lower side. It really depends on the configuration of your yard. But anyway, let's go have a look and see this. As I said earlier, it's a 5 by 12. The basic height of this one is 7 foot on the top side, and on the low side 6 feet. We can make them taller. It really depends on your house and what's if you have no windows in the way or any exterior ducts for dryer vents or that type of thing. So we certainly can customize this to suit your needs. But basically, you're looking at a 7 foot by 6 foot height with an awning style roof. And again, we try and match the shingles to your home. The floor is 12-inch center, 5-inch plywood, so it's nice and strong that way. By 4x4 pressure treated beams. Encourage you to go online to toddsheds.com and book your virtual or on-site quote, or you can simply pick up the phone, give us a call, and we'd love to help you out. So please get in touch with us and we can help you out with your new shed.